Hi, I'm Lori Mann, CEO of Quality Media Consultant Group, where we help our clients to make more money, get more visibility, and grow their business. Tonight we had an awesome time at Marketing for Trailblazers. We were blazing greatness for small business owners and entrepreneurs. I taught great people about how to master their marketing. And if you are a business owner, entrepreneur, solopreneur, or somebody who's looking to grow your business, who's looking to get more clients, who's looking to get more visibility, you should have been here tonight. We had an awesome time. We dealt with so many different marketing strategies, and the next time I announce this event, I'd love to see you. You can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, or log on to my website, www.qualitymediaconsultants.com.
Hi, I'm Rosemary Willingham. I just attended Lori Mann's workshop, Trailblazers, and it was absolutely awesome. I asked you, come on out and see what you're missing. Know how to market your business. Wonderful evening.
Hi, this is Michelle Epps. I am the CEO of the Jiggle Free Zone. I am just leaving the Marketing Trailblazer seminar with Lori Mann, and it was phenomenal. Lori shared some awesome strategies for marketing your business, for reining in the social media, the Facebook, the Twitter, the Flickr, the all of that stuff. So definitely awesome, Lori. I am so glad I came. I'm looking forward to making money. Yay!
Hi everyone, I'm Bonnie Ross Parker, the CEO and founder of The Joy of Connecting. You know, it's amazing how you think you know everything until you meet somebody like Lori Mann, and wow, did she blow us away tonight with her marketing strategy for Trailblazers. If you're not sure about your marketing, you're not sure that you're moving in the right direction, you have got to check in with her and get some of her ideas, some of her strategies, some of her philosophy regarding marketing, and she will help you absolutely achieve the kind of success that you deserve, that you want, and she's a great coach. So I'm excited to be here, and I'm looking forward to spending more time with Lori in the future.
I am at the Marketing for Trailblazers workshop, and it was outstanding. Lori was very informative. She had made some terrific points and gave me some pointers of what I could do to market my business better. So I've had a wonderful event, and come out next time.